Hey, Michael Church, Crawl Space Ninja. I got Jason again from Tallahassee, Florida, and he's got a great question. What are all those holes in the cinder block that seem to be about 16 inches apart? So if you got holes in your cinder block wall and you want to know what they are, stay tuned.
In the crawl space along the wall, the cinder block walls, it's about, there are holes drilled in. It's probably about a half-inch diameter holes, systematically drilled all the way around the crawl space, basically about 16 inches apart and about 1 to 2 blocks high.
Right.
In the crawl space. And I was just kind of wondering what the purpose of that was, and, should I try to fill those in, or what should I do with those?
Well, I mean, I think in the grand scheme of things, it doesn't need to be filled in unless, again, you've got water coming through them. But what those are is, back in the day, the termite company used to drill those holes and fill that cinder block full of termite killer. So that was that's what that is. Now they don't, at least here in Tennessee, they don't do any termite treatments on the inside of the crawl space anymore. Now they do it outside, either with baiting or whatever. But here we had, not only we come across that too with the holes drilled, but what they used to do is they would leave a gap so the plastic wouldn't go all the way up to the block wall. It would actually be like 2 feet away from the wall, and then they would pour termite killer on the dirt around the perimeter of the block wall on the inside. So you see both of those. You don't see the gap with the plastic anymore, because most people realize you got to cover the entire floor with plastic. But that termite, those holes drilled, as a matter of fact, I was at a house just recently that had that problem. So I don't think there's a need to fill it in unless you're just the kind of person that has to have it filled in, but if you're going to put plastic over it, I think that would be good enough.
Okay, great.
Jason, thanks again for participating on our Ask a Ninja page, and we're going to put a link down below if some of our viewers would like to be on our YouTube channel, and we hope you make it a happy and blessed day. See you later.